Okay. So this is the numerical based on the equation of gas. Okay. So question is a spray can containing a propellant gas at twice atmospheric pressure 202 kilopascal and having a volume of 125 centimeter cube, right? 22 degrees Celsius is the temperature. It is then tossed into an open fire. When the temperature of the gas in the can reaches 195 degrees Celsius, that means TF is given to you, right? What is the pressure inside the can? Assume any change in the volume of the can is negligible. That means there is no change in the volume. We need to assume that it is negligible. Okay. So we know the equation of the gas. It is PV equals to nRT. Okay. So no air is escaping during the compression. So it is constant. So I can say PV by T equals to constant. Right. This thing we all know that. Right. So initial equals to final. So PIVI over TI equals to PFVF over TF. Okay. So initial pressure equals to final pressure, initial volume, final volume, and initial temperature equals to final temperature. Okay. Now in this question here, initial and final pressure volumes are equal. So can I write Pi over Ti equals to Pf over Tf, right? Because there is no change in volume, right? Vi equals to Vf. No change in volume. It is mentioned. Okay. So I can write this equation. So now I will put all the values. Tf equals to 195 degrees Celsius. I have changed into Kelvin. And Ti equals to 22 degrees Celsius. I have changed into Kelvin. Okay. So always remember when we are putting the values, we need to put it in the Kelvin. So and Pi equals to 202 kilopascal. It is given to you in the question. Pi 202 kilopascal. Okay. So these are the values. All the values I need to place in equation number 1 and I will find the PF. So I have placed and I have find out here the PF. So PF is 320 kilopascal. Okay. So this is my answer for the first part. Now there is a B part. Suppose there is a volume change due to thermal expansion of the steel. Can as the temperature increases, does that alter the answer? Now it is saying in the first case it was saying the volume change is negligible. There is no volume change. Volume of the can is negligible, right? In the first part. But now they are saying the volume is changing. Okay. So now tell me, will it alter the answer or it will be the same? So if we are speaking about volume, that means I will speak about the formula of beta, right? So so delta V equals to beta Vi delta T. We all know this formula and we know beta equals to 3 alpha, right? So I will just place all the values. 3 alpha, we know alpha of steel 11 into 10 to the power minus 6. So this will be given in a table in the exam. So you need to pick the values. And then delta T, sorry, Vi. Vi is the initial volume which is given 125 in the first part. And then delta T is equal to Tf minus Ti, which is equal to 195 degrees Celsius minus 22 degree Celsius. Okay. So when we calculate everything, it will be 0.71 centimeter cube. Okay. Now we know that PV by T equals to constant, and this formula also we have done it now. So if we have this formula, so if we multiply this thing, the cross multiplication, then can I write the formula of PF? PF equals to PI TF over TI VI over VF. So from this I am just getting this formula, right? Now what it is saying, basically I need to calculate Vi over Vf. Okay, because we need to see what is the change if we change in any volume. So what is initial volume? It is 125, right? So I place the value here 125. Okay, now what is final volume? Because we know delta V equals to Vi plus Vf, so Vf will be equal to delta V plus Vi. So Vf equals to, yeah, so we will write this form, we will write 0.71 plus 125, sorry, this, I'm just removing this is some, okay. So what is V delta V? It is Vf minus Vi, right? So if I need to calculate Vf, it will be delta V plus Vi, right? So I will just place this value here in this equation. Vf equals to delta V plus Vi, and we know that what is Vi is 125 and delta V we have calculated already 0.71, right? So we will just place the value and we will get answer 0.994, or I can say 99.4%. So basically final pressure will differ by 0.6%, because if I say 100 minus 99.4, that will be 0.6%. Okay, so if we calculate PF now, if we calculate PF with this formula, right? So we will get the answer 318 kilopascal instead of 320 kilopascal. So it means if we change the volume, that means our pressure will also be changing. Okay, thank you.